Hello. Okay. Good day, everyone. Uh, Thank you for coming into this YouTube session, Trade Live with Precise Trader, Asian session. And today is 4th December. Okay. Do take note of the risk disclosure. Day trading in foreign exchange is risky. The past results are not indicative of future returns. The content on this webinar is mainly educational purpose. Use your information entirely at your own risk, and you must assess the risk of your trade with your broker before you put in your trades. So with that, we proceed with our live trades. Okay, the key data that is out today. Okay, in fact, Aussie, the GDP was out and the forecast was 0.5 and came out to be 0.3. Okay, it came out to be very bad, and the previous was 0.2. So what happened was Aussie began to break out of the range. That means it was pointing down, and that should be a huge opportunity for us to trade. In fact, we should have been this data, but it was too early, so we couldn't make it. So now then next we have from the US ADP non-farm employment change, and USD ISM services PMI, and crude oil inventories. So these are the key data that is going to be out tonight. Then as far as the signals is concerned, okay, we have a couple of trades. Okay, the main thing I just want to highlight in this session is, okay, try to concentrate on Aussie dollar, New Zealand dollar, and Canadian dollars, and this crosses. Okay, this should be the good opportunity for all these three. Then the next one might be dollar yen. Okay, but dollar yen is also still in a range, but I wouldn't say that this is going to be a big movement. So gold is I'll just tell you a quick recap of what is happening now in the market, so at least you can get yourself prepared for the whole day, what is to be expected. So here what we feel is, okay, this pound, sorry, first we'll talk about one by one. Euro. Okay, euro is still in a range. Okay, euro is still in a range, and we are expecting more weakness, but unfortunately until the break happens, we can't really hold this trade. So right now we are trying to concentrate on euro dollar, which is the range is between, okay, I can give you the range. The range is between 104.80 and 105.35. So this is a very tight range. So if the 80 breaks, then we may see 460. The 460 breaks, then we may see 420. Okay, then lower. Okay, but until then, I think this is going to be a very quiet session. Next, we look into pound. Okay, pound is also this is also in a very tight range. Okay, in fact, if you look at the previous day low and high, this is within 126.35 and 127. So this is only about 65 pips. 65 pips. So this is only about 65 pips movement. And again, we are looking, we are expecting bearish. That means we expect the price to go lower, but we have to wait until the break happens. Okay, as far as this dollar yen is concerned, this is within the range. In fact, yesterday it was a big drop. In fact, it dropped towards 148.65, and yesterday's high and low was 148.65 and 150.25. And today is high is within the range, and today's high is 149. Sorry, today's low is 149.45, 149.55. So what we are expecting out of this is also we are going to expect a range play with a bullish bias. Okay, that means we try to buy cautiously, try to buy somewhere near 149.60 or 149.30. That should be a comfortable level of buying. But that again, we need to see the break of 15010 and 15040. So if you see these two levels break, then there is a very high chance that this may be heading not, meaning market might be going higher. Okay. So this is let me see. Okay, so so for this dollar yen, we are quite bullish, and once that 15040 15070 breaks, we should see the price heading towards 15120 and 15160. So we are bullish on that, so we can go for a buy on the dollar yen, but we have to wait for the break to happen. Then we have dollar Swiss, which is also in a very tight range. It's only about 20 pips movement, which we have seen today, and yesterday was about 60 pips movement, and we are also bullish on this. So we are cautiously bullish on this, so but still within the range, and wait for the break to happen. And once the break happens, then we should be able to see higher. So this is for dollar Swiss. Okay, coming back to Aussie. Okay, Aussie would be a great opportunity. Like as I told you, the breakout has already happened, and right now this is trading below previous day low and previous week low and previous month low, which is all 64.55, 64.35 and 64.35. So we are expecting the price to move lower towards 63.70 or 63.50, and we should be holding sell. Okay, try to sell. We are trying to sell near 64.40 and 64.60. So these are our selling levels, with the stop above current high, which is 64.90 or 95, because we don't see, and we expect the price to move lower. Okay, the next thing we are expecting is dollar CAD. Dollar CAD, this is within the range today, is 14055 and 14085, and yesterday's low range was 14010 and 14080. So we are expecting the high to break, and we expect the price to push higher towards 14120 and 14180. So hold buy, and this should be a good trade to hold to see the break happening soon. Okay, then New Zealand dollar, this is also a good bet, because the breakout has already happened. This is trading below previous day low, which is 58.65, and current week low is 58.30, and previous week low is 57.95. So we expect the price to test the previous week low, and once it tests, if it breaks, then we may see the price lower. But as of now, I think we should be holding sell on the New Zealand dollar. Then we have a Sing dollar, which is also, we are bullish, and right now the range is 134.30 and 134.75, and right now this is trading near the high. So if we see that 134.80 and 134.90 breaking, then we should see the price heading towards 135.15 and 135.25. So these are the levels what we can look for. Okay, finally we come into gold. Okay, gold, right now this is in a range between 2638 and 2648, and the previous previous day range was 2634 half and 2654. So we feel that this market is going to be in exceptionally in a tight range until the breakout. So even if it breaks out higher, then we should be an opportunity to go for a short. So as of now, we are cautious. We are range traders. That means we try to sell near 51, 52. We try to buy near 38, 36, and we play within this range until the break is seen. So that should be your focus, and that should be until the break is seen. So if it breaks higher, then we may see an extension towards 66 or 72, then eventually come down. But on the other hand, if it breaks lower, then we see the price heading south, and we should see the price testing the 23, which is the 22, which is a current week low. Okay, and today, like as I said, we are expecting some US data, and today we might be getting some big movements. But stay focused on Aussie dollar, New Zealand dollar crosses. Okay, crosses. The crosses also would be like Euro Aussie buy, Euro New Zealand buy, Pound Aussie buy, Pound New Zealand buy. So this should be the trade setup. And dollar yen also cautious buy, and dollar CAD also cautious buy until the break. So overall dollar strength is expected for today, and we should still be sticking to that direction and keep with the flow. Okay, so with that I conclude this session. This is just initial heads up for today, and so at least you know what is to be expected and how we can trade. Okay, then I think I will be seeing you again at 1500 hours in Tamil version. Okay, so maybe on during that time, if any of our orders get filled, we can concentrate on that trade and keep moving. Okay, so as of now, we are range trading mainly on scalping, and we have a lot of day trading orders. Okay, we have a lot of day trading orders, especially Aussie crosses and New Zealand crosses. Okay, so with that I conclude this session, and look forward to see you again, because today we have another 3 more sessions. We have one Tamil version, then we have one Europe session and one US session. So if you come in, of course, we can discuss any markets, or any opportunities to look forward to. Okay, thank you very much and looking forward to see you again. Thank you. Bye.